How to delete Candy Crush account. So first of all, open your Candy Crush application. And after doing that, here you can see this is our profile right here. In order to get to your settings, tap on the gear-like icon right here. And then from here, we are on the general section, tap on account and help. Then here you'll get the option of help deleting account. Tap on that. Then we'll get to this particular page from where you'll need to scroll down until you see the option of delete my account. Tap on it. Then from here, you'll need to enter your email address of your Candy Crush account right here and your full name. Make sure that both of the informations are 100% correct. So after entering that, all you need to do is tap on delete my account. And then here you can see they have said that they will be contacting you soon. So they will probably be contacting you through your email address, and you'll be notified when your account has successfully been deleted. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.